Hello, today's problem reads, determine what your credit score would be if you had the following scores in these individual parts. Now when it comes to a credit score, it's usually looked at in a couple different parts, with the maximum score being 850 and the minimum score being 300. So in each of these parts, we have these individual scores. Each score is weighted a little bit different. Okay? These percentages are not the exact way that your credit score is found. These are just made up scores, and some of these categories might not match up. But overall, usually when they calculate a credit score, these are the general categories that are used. These are what they believe the percentages to be. So this will give us a pretty good indication of how it's done. Most of the information on how credit scores are found, it's sort of classified. We can't find anything out about it. It's the way the credit bureaus work. We're basically at their whim with what they want to do. So the way we go through and actually find out what our score would be is we take these individual parts and we do some multiplication. So we take our percentage, we multiply it by the score. We do that for each of the 5 categories. So in this case, if we take 35%, we multiply it by 300. So we on our calculator take 0.35, multiply it by 300, you get 105. 30% times 850, we take 0.3 times 850, we get 255. 15% times 850, we take 0.15 multiplied by 850. This gives us 127.5. And the last two, they're easy. 10% times 850, 10% times 850 we know is 85, and that's the same for both. So we have the 5 individual pieces. From here, we simply just add it all up. We do all this addition, 105 plus 255 plus 127.5 plus 85 plus 85 gives us 657.5. Now normally what they do, you don't see this 0.5. Some credit bureaus will say, oh, this is a score of 657. Another might say that, oh, this is 658. Some places drop the decimal point, some round it up or round it down. Okay? Thank you for tuning in. This is a quick example problem of how a credit score is calculated. Check back soon for more videos by me, the Math Guy.